भाई रुक जा रुक जा रुक जा, वहीं पर रुक जाइयो।
एक यहाँ और एक सिल्वर और जल्दी लगवा। मोहन जल्दी आ यार, झाड़ू लेके पोछा लेके।
एक बंदा लगा दीजिए तो डाल देगा सारे इसमें बहुत सारा आपसे डाल दो। एक भीड़ आएगी तो फिर वो नहीं रहेगा ना। अब इधर ले सर,
जितने फोल्डर बन रहे हैं एक प्रोसेस सब फोल्डर में डाल दें।
सेटिंग करके रखना ना लाइट वाले।
Very good new equipment, high value equipment, some other areas. और थोड़ा सा आप लोग भी बताएं what is
लोकेट में इधर लोकेट में
जिसमें क्लिनिकल है ही नहीं, एंड क्लिनिक जीरो, उसको ऑस्टेनाइट फेस को स्टेबलाइज किया, मैंगनीज से स्टेबलाइज किया। उसकी कॉस्ट इंडिया में 65 से 67 रुपीज़ वो पर केजी। ये इम्पोर्ट करवा रहे हैं अराउंड ये 75 या 76 रुपये। इंडिया में 201 मिलता है, 85 रुपये।
Gupta, Director, Excel India. Mr. Sachin Gaur, Director Operations, Innovation Curis, Dr. Industrial Research. Dr. A.K. Tyag, Senior Assistant Director, this one-day workshop on technological innovations for healthcare startups, organized jointly by Innovation Curis and Sri Ram Institute for Industrial Research. Presently, there is a high demand. Innovation Curis is a unique organization which is healthcare delivery. The objective of this workshop is to narrow the opportunities and the challenges for entrepreneurs.
Today when we all like-minded people are meeting, I think these discussions today will lead into more such ideas and corporate innovation programs, partnerships, which will foster innovation in the country. With that, I finish my remarks. Thank you everyone.
Good morning. Mr. Vijay Kumar, Dr. V.K. Singh, Dr. Mukherjee, Mr. Sachin, Dr. Ajay Tyagi, dear participants, heads of divisions of Sri Ram Institutes, a very good morning. An initiative of Sri Ram Institute for Industrial Research has been set up with a support from Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. The SRI-TBI Center provides incubation services to the upcoming entrepreneurs to encounter various issues while attempting to manage their ventures on a sustainable basis, specifically in the fields of plastics, rubbers, specialty chemicals, and waste management. The center is specialized in providing the multi-dimensional services under single roof and acts as a networking center of the Institute for the Industrial Growth of the region. Dr. Balram Bhargava. See, he has got a lot of innovations. They have got that biodesign and some collaboration with IIT and some of the universities abroad. They are working together and they are bringing a lot of new products to afford our people. So this forum, you are here today to interact, and we, Sri Ram Institute, always support this type of events. And wish you all the best, and a warm welcome to you all once again. Thank you very much.
Dr. Mukherjee, Mr. Tyagi, and dear participants. It's a great moment for me on behalf of the ministry joining such a important platform where the whole day issues like affordable healthcare will be discussed and debated. Friend, Ministry of MSME is committed to provide all possible assistance, including finance, to the upcoming entrepreneurs, which is the need of the hour. I'll give you some statistical data, perhaps you may be aware. In 2017, last year only, in China, they filed 1 million patents, 10 lakhs. Vis-a-vis in India only 50,000. You can compare ourselves, the level of innovation, which our new generations, new entrepreneurs, or new young boys, girls, or the scientists which we are doing. It's only 5%. If we had to meet the coming years a affordable healthcare, let us say address only this issue. It may include the health equipment, it may include pharma, entire field. Then this innovation has to be addressed. I request the Sri Ram Institute, though we are working with the institute for which we have already set up the Technology Business Incubator Center, right? We won't mind to provide the finance or such a center, to fund such a center, where design and innovation centers, both. You innovate, design a prototype, and provide a platform to an entrepreneur where he or she can take a lead. Such funding can be given huge, maybe not 5 lakh rupees. Instead, we go to 10, 15, 20, 25, so maximum to 40 lakh rupees per unit. This is the level of funding which is available, I am saying, per such product or a process. Innovation and design improvement, it will go simultaneously, it will go together. Some of the products, some of the process, you need some value addition only. Some that you start from scratch and you have to go ahead totally a new product. I'll give you an example. I met a young boy, a mechanical engineer, because since we are sitting in the industry, so we used to meet a lot of entrepreneurs who have done a lot of innovations, good innovations. Because we have to provide them funding from the banks. Generally, bank also aware that they don't listen. So, all the time little hurt is, but when the ministry pushes them, so that they realize, that since ministry is recommending, let us go ahead. a young third-year mechanical engineering boy, who developed his Caesar. And how he developed his Caesar? He was in an operation theatre. He was not allowed to go inside. One of his anti-operation was going on, but being a curiosity, so he requested. He was allowed to a point where he was watching from the glasses. Doctors are using long scissors while cutting and twisting and the other taking it out. What he realized, why can't I develop a simple scissor which do all these multiple operations? This is the idea. A young boy. That boy, believe me, in 4 months' time, he developed a combined scissor. Doing not only those 3 operations, 2 more additions. You won't mind. And now the new scheme has come. I just want to tell you, where per product or per process, 25 lakhs to 40 lakh rupees per such product, we can provide you funding. If you take, suppose, say, sir, we have healthcare center, 20 ideas, fine. So 25 into 25 crore rupees. What else you need it? Now, so ministry, on behalf of the ministry, I can say so, that today, that the whole day it will be discussed and debated. So any such ideas or such people which come, they want to come forward and they want to take this as a project, we won't mind to approve. Already though we have approved for the TBI, but for Design Innovation Center, it is separate cell perhaps maybe in the Shri Ram Institute. We won't mind to, ministry won't mind to approve. We won't mind to go ahead with the Shri Ram Institute and start funding for such projects, because then only these projects can provide a afford. So I am saying that this is really a very good today's program which you and my all seniors, so you are sitting already on the dais, and a lot of people from the medical fraternity, you all are here to address these issues. Only my small request is, after when the function is over and the program is over, maybe tomorrow or maybe after 2-3 days, if you can write to us, or anybody write to us from the Shri Ram Institute, that this is what we have come down, this is what the issues which you want to take it up. These are the people who want to take it up this, and we won't mind to come to you back that look, for these issues, this is the level of funding we provide you. We will associate you, and we want to go to that level. If something new you innovate, we don't mind IPR right, that look, since ministry has funded this, no. The person who has invented IPR right is also his, or maybe Shri Ram Institutes, everything is yours. We will provide you fund also, no interest, this is one-time grant, non-returnable, that's all. So you can imagine this is the level of the kind of innovation, the design improvement which the ministry is is supporting to the people. And we have already done across the country, IITs, NITs, institute like Shri Ram Institute, we have at our level. And perhaps in the next 1 month, we will officially communicate to you in writing that look, though you have not approached to us, but we have taken ourselves, because you are doing a wonderful job, you are doing a good job, and you can do wonderful job in future also.
Service and how they can scale and how they can develop prototype in our incubation, we provide support. And in the same line of direction, Department of Science and Technology, in the last week, they had provided a special recognitions Nidhi Accelerator Program. In Nidhi Accelerator Program, where we are going to support 15 incubators, and 15 incubators going to be accelerated with the support of incubators. And 15 incubators can convert their businessman model in the revenue model with the support of a mentor of 300 scientists who are working in the institute in the last 7 decades. So the things can be replicated in market. So in the same line of direction, we are already accelerating our incubators. Mr. Rajinder Singh, who is going to launch their product today, And Pankaj Gupta, can you explain a little bit what are the motivation factor and what is the innovations behind it, and how you are feeling this product can work in the market, and how you are going to substitute import of a German product? Please.
Dignitaries on the dais. सबसे पहले मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि एक्सेल इंडिया एक आज के डेट में एक बहुत बड़ा नाम बन चुका है इंडियन इंडस्ट्री में. बट जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ है, मिस्टर राजेंद्र गुप्ता ने स्टार्ट किया. उनका बैकग्राउंड बहुत छोटा सा था. ही वॉज फ्रॉम ए फार्मिंग फैमिली, बट उनके अंदर एक बिजनेस की भूख थी, जिसके लिए उन्होंने अपने किसी रिलेटिव से कांटेक्ट किया और उन्होंने उनको आइडिया दिया कि भाई आप एक ये एंकर फास्टनर आप बना सकते हैं तो बना लीजिए. देन ही हैज स्टार्टेड डूइंग एफर्ट्स फॉर दैट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ एंकर फास्टनर, एंड आफ्टर one year of the efforts, he was able to manufacture that anchor fastener, and after manufacturing they have supplied to many leading industries like Delhi Metro and other institutes. उसके बाद में अभी उनको कुछ पता लगा कि अभी एक जो फॉरेन कंपनीज हैं लाइक हिल्टी एंड अदर, they are supplying some nylon anchor to India, और उस नाइलॉन एंकर का कॉस्ट बहुत कम है, but nobody is manufacturing in the India, so they have thought that we should start the manufacturing of this one, because foreign companies इस नाइलॉन एंकर को यहाँ पे इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा रेट पर बेच रही थी, और उसका करीबन एक साल में 150 करोड़ रुपए का बिजनेस यहाँ से इंडिया से ले जा रही थी. तो उन्होंने अपना इस नाइलॉन एंकर को बनाने के लिए श्री राम इंस्टीट्यूट से कांटेक्ट किया और अपने नाइलॉन एंकर बनाने की इच्छा उनको बताई. और श्री राम इंस्टीट्यूट के जो डॉक्टर AK त्यागी, डॉक्टर भूपेश शर्मा और डॉक्टर आकाश के काफ़ी प्रयासों से और काफ़ी उनकी हेल्प से ये आज की डेट में ये एक नाइलॉन एंकर बना लिया गया है जो इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स का है, और एक जर्मन कंपनी को हम टक्कर दे सकते हैं. सो वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस एंकर फास्टनर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वेरी सून.
कॉलिंग कर रहे थे, ही इज नॉट एबल टू डेवलप दिस नाइलॉन स्लीव. जर्मन की कंपनी है हिल्टी इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, सब्सिडी इन इंडिया, and this company is almost 500 CR turnover in India, and 150 CR turnover only in the area of business nylon sleeve. All green building, including Jhajjar AIIMS, is about 2.5 lakh pieces, 2.5 lakh pieces incorporated or engraved in this building, in AIIMS Jhajjar building. So he can give competition to German company which can really innovations, and so far nobody is able to develop and nobody is able to reach up to that point, because this product itself is a nylon product. Especially his effort, I really command or appreciate your efforts, and he regularly came in incubator and take our help and do their work by hand and develop their innovative product and going to give competition to them. So with this, what is my USP in incubations? There are 300 scientists, hardcore scientists, having more than 3 decades experience. They can directly support, and we can take services of our scientific other profile scientists also. So with this, I will say everybody can take our incubation services, whatever you feel, and we are always happy to support each and every innovation, and we are ready to farming innovations in our incubator. And right now, our incubator is going to accelerator, going to recognized by Department of Science and Technology as a accelerator also, with the partnership of Polyplex also, with a corporate of partners where we are going to accelerate our other 15-inch VT also in the coming year. With this, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.